I work for the Road Development Agency, which is a road authority in charge of planning, design and maintenance of the road network in our country, Zambia. I'd like to thank Nziza Global for inviting our agency, and I'm honored to have been nominated by our agency to come and participate in this important training.
I work from Arusha, Tanzania, Rural and Urban Road Agency. It deals with planning, managing and construction of different roads in Tanzanian, rural and urban sections.
This is my second time to attend a training from Nziza Global. I would like to thank Nziza Global for facilitation of this course, where our facilitator have equipped us with knowledge about road design, advanced design of roundabouts, and vehicle tracking, which will assist us in our daily activities as Tarura. And also I would like to advise other engineers, technicians, and all people who are interested to get the upcoming courses from Nziza Global, which you will get certificates from Autodesk.
I'm an engineer working with a project and a company which is known as MRO Classic Limited. I've been here last year to study for the level 1, which was dealing with modeling of roads alignment and surfaces, and it was very helpful. And this time I came again to learn it for the level 2, which we are dealing with roundabouts, also designing with a vehicle, how they pass and they can move on the roundabouts. And the program was so successful and I have gained a lot.
It was a very interesting training, as it has equipped me with the tools that are required to handle complex designs, which is a key to the modern infrastructure development. In general, it enhances the efficiency and the quality of road designs, resulting in promoting safer geometric configurations and reducing design errors through the automation of certain design processes.
Most of the time in our offices we are dealing with work, but we don't have such places where we can go and learn more knowledge. We are so glad for Nziza because they provide us a platform where we can get a genuine knowledge. Not only that we get this genuine knowledge, but also we are certified from the Autodesk themselves. So this is helpful, and also we welcome and encourage our other engineers who are dealing with this sector to come and learn, because this will be profitable, not only for your company or your institution, but also for yourself, because you equip yourself with the knowledge which will help you to do your works fast and more efficiently.